Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix camera focus is not working in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. If you're using Galaxy S23 Ultra and you're facing the issue that your phone's camera focus isn't working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to make sure that your camera is completely clean. There's no any dirt or dust on it, and there's no any restrictions on your camera. And then you can retry. If it's still not working for you and you're still facing the same issue, so you can try to go to settings app here. Just go to settings, go to software update section. Make sure you're connected to internet and just try to check for updates to check for any pending latest software update because a pending software update might have these type errors. After updating your software, you have to retry. If you're still getting the same issue, keep on press on your camera app, click this info button, go to storage, click on clear cache. And once you have cleared cache of your camera app, it might help you to fix out your issue. If it's still not working for you, you're still getting the same issue. So there's the only way. Just keep on press on your camera app again, click the info button and scroll down, go to storage, click clear data. After clearing data, just click this word stop, click OK. Now once you have forcefully stopped your camera app, just hold the control center, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on this restart icon again to have a restart with your phone. And once your phone has been restarted, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.